Welcome to a deep dive into the world of P codes, the essential language your vehicle uses to tell you what's wrong. Beyond the basic check engine light, understanding these diagnostic trouble codes, especially those related to sensors, empowers you to precisely pinpoint issues and perform more effective repairs. Today, we're not just looking at a dashboard light, we're learning to interpret the detailed stories your car's computer is trying to tell you. The dreaded check engine light is often the first, and sometimes only, indication that something is amiss. But simply seeing the light tells you very little. It's merely a symptom, not a diagnosis. To truly understand the underlying problem, we need to access the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system, and that's where Diagnostic Trouble Codes, or P codes, come into play. They are the initial clue, pointing us towards a specific system or component that requires attention. Moving beyond a simple code reader, an advanced scan tool transforms your diagnostic capabilities. While a basic tool might just display the P code, an advanced scanner offers crucial data streams like freeze frame data, which captures sensor readings at the exact moment a fault code was set, and live data, allowing you to monitor sensor outputs in real time. These features are indispensable for truly demystifying sensor malfunctions and preventing guesswork. P codes, which stand for Powertrain Diagnostic Trouble Codes, typically start with a P. They are structured to provide specific information. The first digit after the P indicates if it's a generic or manufacturer-specific code. The next digit identifies the system, such as fuel and air metering, ignition system, or auxiliary emission controls. The final two digits narrow down the specific fault within that system. Many P codes directly point to issues with vehicle sensors, which are the eyes and ears of your car's engine control unit, or ECU. These sensors monitor everything from oxygen levels in the exhaust to engine temperature, airflow, and crankshaft position. When a sensor fails, provides inaccurate readings, or experiences an electrical fault, the ECU registers an anomaly and often sets a corresponding P code, illuminating your check engine light. Let's consider oxygen sensor P codes. For instance, P0133 indicates a slow response from the bank 1, sensor 102 sensor. This means the sensor isn't switching as quickly as it should, potentially leading to incorrect fuel trim adjustments. Alternatively, codes like P0171 or P0174 can sometimes be by a faulty O2 sensor, even if the code itself points to a lean condition. Live data is key here. Observing the O2 sensor's voltage fluctuations helps determine its health. Moving on to the mass airflow sensor, codes like P0101 are common. This code suggests the MAF sensor's signal is outside expected parameters. Using a scan tool, you can observe the MAF sensor's live data stream, which shows grams per second of airflow. Comparing this reading to specifications for your engine at idle and various RPMs can quickly reveal if the sensor is underreporting or overreporting airflow. The manifold absolute pressure sensor is another critical component, and codes like P0106 indicate an issue with its signal. The MAP sensor measures the pressure inside the intake manifold, providing essential data for fuel delivery and ignition timing. With a scan tool, you can monitor the MAP sensor's voltage or pressure readings. A common test involves observing the reading with the engine off and at idle. Crankshaft and camshaft position sensor P codes, such as P0335 or P0340, are serious. These sensors are vital for the ECU to determine engine speed and piston position, crucial for precise fuel injection and ignition timing. Issues with these sensors often lead to no starts, misfires, or stalling. Live data for RPM and camshaft/crankshaft sync can reveal erratic signals. Throttle position sensor P codes, like P0121 or P0122, indicate issues with the sensor that reports the throttle plate's angle to the ECU. This information is crucial for engine load calculation and fuel delivery. Using a scan tool, you can monitor the TPS voltage as you slowly depress the accelerator pedal. It should show a smooth, linear increase without any drops or spikes. Beyond simply reading the P code, freeze frame data is an invaluable diagnostic aid. When a P code is set, the vehicle's computer records a snapshot of various sensor readings and engine operating conditions at that precise moment. This includes engine speed, vehicle speed, engine load, fuel trims, coolant temperature, and more. Analyzing this data helps recreate the conditions under which the fault occurred, which is especially useful for intermittent problems. It's important to distinguish between generic P codes and manufacturer-specific P codes. Generic codes are standardized across all OBD2 compliant vehicles, meaning AP0171 will generally mean the same thing regardless of the make and model. However, P1XXX codes are unique to a particular manufacturer, requiring specific reference material or an advanced scan tool capable of interpreting these proprietary codes for accurate diagnosis. A structured diagnostic workflow is critical. First, retrieve all P codes and review the associated freeze frame data. Next, analyze live data for the relevant sensors, observing their behavior under various engine conditions. Visually inspect the sensor, its wiring, and connectors for any obvious damage. If necessary, perform component-specific tests with a multimeter. Only after thorough diagnosis should you clear the codes and conduct a test drive to confirm the repair. While understanding P codes and using a scan tool significantly empowers you, some issues are complex, intermittent, or require specialized tools and expertise. If you've performed basic diagnostics and the problem persists, or if you're uncomfortable tackling a particular repair, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Your safety and the long-term health of your vehicle are paramount. By mastering P codes, you become a more informed vehicle owner, leading to better maintenance and more efficient repairs.